we learned about functions in the beginning, and functions are nothing but a reusable program, a small program that does one thing and does it nicely. The whole idea is reusability. Right? We're talking about reusable programs. So far the programs you write, right? You give it to somebody, he can run it, he can calculate his loan, he can calculate his interest, anything, whatever functionality you implement in the program, right? Now, what we also learned is we don't write each and every line of code for each and every functionality we want. For example, suppose we want to take input from user. What did we do? We say x equal to input, and we ask you enter your name. Enter name. We said that. What really is input here? It is a function provided by Python. It's a function or a service in layman language. The service provided by Python. We say y. We said y equal to int and quote single quote 20. Right? 20. What is int here? Int is a function or a service provided by Python. So that we don't have to convert this number ourselves into an integer, because it's a string single quote 20, and I want to convert into a number so that I can do the number manipulation on it. Like I can add another number, I can divide by another number and all that part. But in order to do the mathematical operation, I must make single quote 20, which is a string, into a number. But did we do ourselves? No, we simply used a service or function provided by Python. Why did we do that? Because that saves us time. That makes us reuse the code somebody wrote it. The int is a program written by someone in the Python team and gave it to us, and we say use it. Similarly, we learned many functions, right? The string has functions called, suppose I say string x equal to, and we say Anish. In this string, suppose I want to find whether letter I is there or not. So we say x dot find, and then we want to find I. Suppose this find is a function that is defined on a string Anish. This is also a function written by someone. We did not write this code. We don't need to write this code. Why? Because it is already written. So we understand what function is. The whole idea is to reuse someone's code. Now that we have reused someone's code, in this unit, we'll learn how to write our own function and use it in our own program. So suppose you want to calculate, we have already written a program that says a friendly date, right? Friendly date. What I mean is, if today's date and time is right now, let's say, what is the date and time? 12/12. So today is 8/15/2021, 12/12 p.m. If this is the date, and time, I want to convert this and I want to say 10 seconds ago. If I run this program tomorrow, it will say 1 day and 10 seconds ago. If I do this exactly tomorrow, this program, or maybe say 11 seconds or 12 seconds ago. This is what I refer as friendly date. How do we do that? We calculate the difference from today, which is whenever this program is running, minus this date, into milliseconds. And then start dividing by 60 into 60 into 24 to get number of days it has passed, div and mode, right? We have already done this. But we can write a function. Now this function, anytime I want to reuse it, all I have to do is to pass one input. And you give that input, it will calculate the time elapsed from now, today or now, between now and this date, right? So now, anytime I write a function, suppose I write a service and say get friendly date. And I pass some input, which is suppose dt, a variable. And then my code, I'll write code here to calculate this and return a friendly date string, because that is going to be 2 seconds ago or 5 seconds ago, whatever. I'll return this value. It's a string. So now I can use it for myself. As long as user passes me the date, I am good at calculating this and returning this value. With the advantages, now in future, whenever I need it, I'll use this function. I don't have to repeat this code every time.